enter from here and you're out there, which is entering from here and you're out from somewhere there. You will enter again from there, which is somewhere here, we are out there, and we enter from somewhere, here right now, and we'll go with it until we see another entry position, because this is a good entry position. If you can see there, the market is closing the black line. So in this strategy, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can actually make 100 USD per day using this strategy. Trust me, it's worth it. It's a boom and crash strategy, so it's working on both crash and boom as well. So that's a thing. So if you have not yet joined our Telegram channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. We're giving free signals. I don't see the essence of me selling signals whilst I make money in the financial market. We make money in the financial market. Why sell signals? So we just give our signals free of charge in our Telegram channel. The only thing that you have to do is to click the link in the description and you will be taken directly to our Telegram channel. But look, in the link in the description, there are so many links that can help you and your trading career. Check them out. They are really helpful. So that's the thing. So here I'm going to show you how I set this whole thing up. Be it on your phone, be it on your laptop, you can set it. There are only three indicators that you have to be aware of. There is an indicator, there is a relative strength index, and there is a MACD. So these are the three indicators. So I'm going to delete them and just quickly walk you through on how I came up with that setting that I just show you. So that's the thing. So if you're new, you're just going to come here and you click there and you come there on the main window, you click there. Our first indicator is the alligator. So we're going to come on the alligator there, we click there. I want you to, for it to have these following properties. So the jaw period will have 9, the teeth period will have 8, the lips period will have 15, the jaws shift will have 3, the teeth shift will have 2, the lips shift will have 2, and the method will be smooth and applied to close. And the jaws, very important when it comes to the styles. So the styling of this particular indicator will be based on if you click on the jaws, we'll have the same color as our background, which in this case my background is white. I can advise you to actually change it to white, not black, so that you cannot just be confused when it comes to following up. Same applies with the teeth. It is white based on the fact that my background is white, and on the lips you're just going to put it to black. And if you click there, we'll have a line showing on our charts. So this line is basically showing us the trend of the market. So here the market is, if we see the line above the market, it simply means we are in a downtrend. If it's above the if it's below the market, we are in an uptrend. So if the line is above the market, downtrend, below the market is actually an uptrend. Same applies here. So we are seeing the market trying now to change direction. Yeah, it wants now the line to be above, it wants the line to be below the market, and from there we can enter a buy signal the moment we see that confirmation. But as it stands right now, the line is not yet down. If you can see, the price of the market is somewhere there. Yes, it's still moving. So that's the thing. Before we can actually jump to the other indicator, I don't know what it would take from you guys just to subscribe and also to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time I drop an interesting video like this. And also like the video so that it can reach to as many people as it can reach out to that would need to have the same information like you have in right now. So we are coming now back on our main window again, and we are going to search for this indicator, the relative strength index, the RSI. So it will have these properties. It will have a period of 6 applied to close, and the levels will be 10 and 90, so just indicate buy. The 10 level to be a buy, 9 to be a sell, and you click done, and the star will be the same color as our background, which is white in this case, and we'll click done there. And from there, guys, we're going to have another indicator that we are going to click just there, and this indicator will be in our main windows there. Yes, and the indicator is the MACD, so we're going to click there. The MACD will have the following properties, which is the fast EMA, it will be 12, the slow EMA will be 26, the MACD SMA will be 1 applied to close, and we have the main star will be blue, and the signal will be red. So that's the thing, and click done, and we have something that looks exactly like this, guys, exactly like this. So I just want to show you how you can enter this market like the way it is right now. It's in the base position of, if we want to enter the market, we can enter the market. So basically that's the thing, and I'm going to show you why. Yes, so if we can see here, we can see that, like I explained, this black line is it's showing the trend of the market. So if it's down the market is in an uptrend, so we are looking for buying, and this is a 30 minutes, guys. So which simply means if you catch this trade, you'll be in the market for quite some time. So that's the thing. So you're going to be in the market starting from somewhere here when you see this line, up to somewhere when you see another closing of the line happening. So you'll be basically in the market from here up to somewhere there, which is a lot of hours. Yeah, because one candle is equals to 30 minutes, so it's a long trade of some sort. So that's the thing. But the confirmation is this: the moment you see here, you will touch your buy signal. The moment you touch your buy, the thing that you have to start looking for, are we in an uptrend or are we in a downtrend? And if we are in an uptrend, and it's signaling a buy, we wait for the market to close. The moment it closes, we enter, guys, from here, and we ride with the market until we see another closing. Yes, until we see another closing, and here it should show to say that, okay, the market is actually in a sell now. The moment it's in a sell, we are out of the market the moment we see this closing happening. And the moment we see this closing happening, we come again, guys. We ride with the market the opposite side. We are in the market the opposite side. From here again, we will ride with the market until we see another closing, which is there. And here it should signal us that we are already in a buy. So what we are looking for forward now is for us to just see a confirmation. What we're looking forward is for us to see a confirmation for us now to actually ride with the market up. So just like that. So that's how the strategy is working. You actually make the market going up and going down, which is a buying and selling, buy and sell until you grow that amount of money to something that is substantial. If you're just consistent and you follow step by step what I'm telling you, and you actually use a demo account to start with, trust me, you will be profitable. You will be profitable. Trust me, I've tested it. I come up with these strategies and I test them, and you will definitely be profitable. I hope this video was informative to you. Love you so much, and see you in the next video. The Master Trader himself here.